Hola everyone, it's Baron and Brent Bruno. We are in Vuda, spelled V-U-D-A. And check out these Hobie cats. Hobie from California. In fact, fun fact, I used to work at Hobie Sports in Laguna Beach. Same Hobie as you see those Hobies. And if you come here to Fiji, you can hop on one of those and get out on the water and do a little sailing. Check this lot out. We are on 2,461 square meter native residential property near Vuda Marina. And this is about 26,000 square feet for my friends in the States. And that's about 0.6 acres of land where you can build your dream home. Lots of great things going on with this property. You have water and power and fiber optic all ready to go right here, plugged in just on the fence line there. So you're ready to go. Just need to get those architectural drawings done and get a great builder and let your mind go wild and develop a great home like these people have done straight ahead of us. And just to give you sort of bearings on where we are, we're on the main island of Viti Levu, and Nandi, where the international airport is, about 15 minutes or so, maybe even less. And you have a lot of restaurants and retail, of course, in the greater Nandi area, Namaka and Martintar. And near us you have the Boathouse, which is a great restaurant. You also have First Landing, which is a really great resort hotel. A lot of history there as well. And just a really nice upcoming place to establish yourself. Rentals go very, very well here. You're close to Anchorage Resort and its sister property, Beachcomber, just off the main island here as well, just down the street. So you can actually leverage those amenities right here as well. You see the house just there behind you was just built less than 2 years ago. Really nice big structure. That'll give you an idea of what you can build here. And again, nice mountain views just here. And if you look with me just beyond the car there, that is Nandi Bay. On the other side of that Nandi Bay is where you'll have Denarau, which is where our offices are located, as well as Fantasy Island development. And then just to the left on the bay along here is where greater Nandi area is, with all the the restaurants, retail, shopping, etc. So find out more about this property that we have available for sale. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us +679 999 2051, and we can get you all the specific details regarding this native lease property where you can build your dream home. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Vinaka.